Next problem of 5 on spur gears. So two gear wheels each having 25 teeth of inlet shape and pressure varieties are required to give an arc of contact equal to 1.6 times circular pitch. Find the addendum in terms of circular pitch. So two equal gears means T is 25, pi is 20, LAC is 1.6 PC. So we have to find in terms of PC. So PC is pi into m. The m is PC by pi. 1 by pi is 0.3 PC. R is mt by 2. Substitute values of m 0.3 PC into T is 25 by 2, 3.975 PC. So we know that LAC is LPC by cos pi. So the LAC is 1.6 times PC. LPC is therefore LPC cos 20. Therefore LPC is 1.5 PC. LPC for equal gears is 2 into square root of R square cos pi R sin pi. So LPC is 1.5 PC. So into 2 into RA. Substitute the values of R. Therefore RA is 4.29 PC. Addendum is RA minus R 4.2 PC, that is 0.315 PC.